your certificate.
Yes,
and you have
no doubt
declared.
about that. My lord, then my lord, if they open the window after examination, my lord, kindly that's why the 167
What
notification is.
This channel does not promote or encourage any harmful or illegal activities. All contents provided are strictly for educational and informational purposes only.
Affidavit of service, my lord, as well as the deficit, my lord, kept on record, my lord. All the petitioner, my lord, they are the EWS category candidate, my lord. On 22nd September 2025, my lord, West Bengal Central School Service Commission, they published a notice on 167, my lord. Kindly turn page number 167.
Yes.
Regarding mentioning caste category. This is to notify all concerned that though opportunity for updating / editing caste category have been offered to the candidates several times, a number of candidates have not yet updated their categories in their application form. Therefore, a last opportunity is being given to the candidate to update the same in their application for second SLST within bracket 80 2025 for classes 9, 10, 11, 12 from 22nd September to 26th September 2025. The candidate will have to first log in and choose the edit option. Then he/she will have to select the category from the drop-down menu. The whole problem lies herein. I will explain later on. The candidate will also have to specify this subcategory and applicable certificate number and issuing authority in separate text boxes to be made available after the category is chosen from the drop-down, if applicable. In case any candidate failed to update his/her category within 26 September 2025, the category of such candidate would be treated as general. In the drop-down list, my lord, there was no such option of EWS because the candidate all belongs to EWS category candidate. All the candidate, my lord, they gathered their EWS certificate before 26 September 2025, my lord. This EWS certificate is 1 year valid certificate. After this, whenever a notification published, my lord, they applied in the respective BDO office. Thereafter, it went to the SD office and the respective authority, they issue the certificate. And not only that, my lord, I specifically hand tell you that all the candidates, when they applied, when they gathered, I made a table.
In the advertisement, is there any specification for reservation of EWS?
Yes. 10% reservation is there. No doubt. That is not the disputed.
But the drop-down menu doesn't.
Drop-down menu, but because in that drop-down menu, SC, ST, and OBC was there. EWS is not in the drop-down list in respect of 22nd September 2025.
All right.
So for that reason, they're unable to their category change because they.
No, but then when you filed the application form, did you mention EWS?
No.
You didn't.
Because at that point of time, why we are not able to mention? Because because this EWS certificate valid for 1 year.
Yes.
When suppose the advertisement in the month of May.
Yes.
And within 15 days or 16 days, we have to file it. Though we applied it. If we get it within the stipulated time, then only because of before last date, although in our state, because in my case, I deprived twice. Because in our state
here, EWS reservation.
I'm led by Mr. Bandopadhyay.
Yes.
No, I am appearing with it. So for EWS reservation is concerned, there is no problem. Point is, Willard, on the date of the filing of the application, that is the last date. That on that date he had no certificate, he didn't file it. Therefore, subsequent acquisition of the certificate will not give him right.
All right.
So far the 167 pages concerned, that's a caste certificate. There's a history, some bearing on that. What has happened, OBC cases? OBC AB was, when it was made by the state government, Calcutta High Court Division Bench will stay that operation of that.
No, but then OBC or that judgment has nothing to do with EWS, isn't it?
Yes.
No, nothing. I am just telling you, nothing. But why this drop down, that is only the.
All right, I followed it. Why, if see, the whatever is your qualification on the date of the notification will be important. If you acquire your EWS status later on, why will it be taken into consideration?
My lord, I'm completely with my lord. My lord, if
Yes,
that is the stand of the School Service Commission, that
yes.
the last date of online application, the only considerable subject. They made a affidavit in this regard. They will not take a single
EWS.
EWS or SC or ST or
No, not SC/ST.
yes, my lord. Why? Why?
SC/ST is different.
No, my lord. With greatest of respect, my
This
lord.
is with
Mal-
relation to only EWS.
Yes, my case is related to EWS, but
Right.
the principle regarding the category must be the same. Equal opportunity in public employment.
Yes,
If
yes.
there is no such date mentioning, the cardinal, what is the cardinal rule? Cardinal rule is that last date of online application would be the considerable date.
Right.
But here, what they did, the authority misdid is that when the examination date on 7th September as well as the 14th September, after the examination, they give the opportunity to update the caste category for SC, for ST, for OBC, but they not give the same benefit to the EWS. Why? That is the biggest question. If they not give it, that means they deprive the candidate to get equal opportunity. Because of that, this
No, on the date of the advertisement, if you were not EWS,
my lord,
had you been
yes.
EWS, then you must have annexed your certificate and
Yes,
you have
no doubt
declared.
about that. My lord, then my lord, if they open the window after examination, my lord, kindly this, that's why the 167
What
notification is
there must be certain orders because
no, there is no such order. That's my point. There is no such order. Without having any order, without having any opportunity, my lord, they give
167
opportunity.
was
Yes.
issued.
So if they give opportunity to others category, because this come within the same category. My lord, kindly turn page number 127. The same department, same page number 127 for once. It come under the backward classes welfare department.
Yes.
If they give SC, ST, WS, OBC, they are under the in the top, my lord. Kindly get it, my lord. So yeah, and not only that, my lord, I deprived twice. Why I say so? My lord, kindly in the bottom there is a particulars and details. Got it, my lord? Time limit prescribed as per the Public Service Guarantee Act. Public Service Act within which date? Within 28 days they ought to issue it. My lord, deprived by the authority, Article 12 authority, who issuing authority, because that's for that reason, my lord, I annexed a handwritten, the petitioner's handwritten date when they made the application, when they got the EWS certificate. First, I deprived by the issuing authority. Thereafter, my lord,
When did you make your application?
my lord, kindly turn page number 128.
128.
Very next page. Each and every petitioner's application date, when they got it, everything is mentioned. Everything is mentioned, and that's the reason, my lord. If they fix
What is this date? Date of application?
Yes,
128?
yes.
Date of application?
Yes. Income certificate separately.
Heading is given.
Heading is given. Suppose, my lord, I just give an example.
Line of every heading is the date when the certificate is
Issued.
Issued.
Yes,
When is it applied?
Apply, my lord, kindly 18 June. Kindly
That is the date of application.
and thereafter issued on 22nd September 2025 for the Momota Samanto. The same thing.
Oh, the name is
Yes,
at
yes.
the top
And
the
thereafter I mentioned.
application date and the
Yes.
issuance date.
Yes.
All right, I
But
get it.
subject to correction. First is not the date of application.
Mr. Nag, please will you kindly stop? Mr. Nag, will you kindly, since I am here.
So, my lord,
Yes.
I mentioned that every date, my lord. If they consider, my point is that, my lord, if they considered that the last online application date would be the considerable date for every caste category, then I have no case. Every category. If they give opportunity to the OBC, then I am entitled to get as a caste category candidate, my lord. Kindly take, my lord, the advertisement for once. Page number 37.
37.
Yes, my lord. The relevant
Yes.
portion, para 4, page number 38.
Date.
I just show, my lord,
Hmm.
their did. Para 4, scheduled date of second SLST within bracket 80. Got it, my lord?
Hmm.
Assistant teacher submission of online application, opening date 16 June 2025, closing date 14 July 2025. That stop. If anybody get their OSC certificate or OBC certificate or ST certificate or EWS beyond that period, they will not be considered as a SC, ST, OBC, EWS. Then I have no case. What they did, my lord, kindly turn, my lord, page number 165 onwards. I place each and every notification by the SSC. One after, I just place 167, but I place one after another native notification, page number 165 to onwards 160, 170. I just addendum. Got it, my lord?
165.
Yes, my lord, got it.
Hmm.
So this notification date is very important. 30 July 2025, after closing date. What they did? This is to notify all concerned in connection with CW, that means connection with second SLST within bracket 80 assistant teacher 2025 for classes 9, 10 and 11, 12 that in view order dated 28 July 2025, the Honorable Supreme Court in SLP number such and such and other connected matter, the online portal will be opened for collection of category details from 5th August to 11 August 2025. The candidate will have to first log in and choose the edit option. Then he or she will have to select the category from drop-down menu. The candidate will also have to specify his category of applicable certificate number and issuing authority in separate text boxes to be made available after the category is chosen from the drop-down. It is made on 30 July, my lord. It's happened. So that must be closed in 11th August 2025. Very next page, my lord. 5th August.
Yes.
In continuation of earlier notice issued video memo number such and such, this is to further notify for information to all concerned that all candidates, irrespective of their category, are required to mention their specific category, caste, well, very important, caste, class, EWS, PH, etc. So they treated caste and EWS in similar manner and fashion. It is clear from this notification. In the respective place in their application form through the edit option provided in their website from 5th August 2025 to 12 August 2025. This date after the closing date of the online application. So that my learned friend's senior friend's submission is not tenable in this regard. If my learned friend's submission is right, then this notification must go. This is to clarify here that only candidate from OBC category are required to mention their subcategory, because in OBC there is a two category A and B. From the subcategory, from the drop-down box provided in the website, other including general candidate will mention their category only. Certificate number should also inserted whichever available and if applicable. The very next page is 22nd September, already I placed. Now, my lord, 168, 7th August 2025. In continuation of our notice dated 30 July 2025 and 5th August 2025, where, my lord, caste category and class and PH all are equally treated, my lord. They will give opportunity, my lord. Later on 22nd September notification, they not give opportunity, my lord. They only give opportunity without any court order, without having any legal statutory backup. They just, by their own arbitrary practice, they just give it the opportunity to a specific category candidate. That's my case. Whole case is altogether, my lord. In continuation of our notice dated such and such, this is to inform all concerned that the Commission is facing a number of queries on two issues, namely editing of category details and photo with signature updating. In view of that, some clarification are being provided be FAQ format. My OBC status has changed with a new labor.
It's all OBC.
OBC, my lord. Yes, my lord.
Go into
So the now, my lord, 14th August 2025, page number 169.
Yes.
This is notified for information of all concerned that provisional admit card for the candidate of second SLST 2025 are being uploaded herewith. The admit card may be downloaded from our website, such and such login. It has been observed that some candidate has not uploaded their category details. It may be noted that all candidate must update their category details, irrespective of whether they belongs to the general category or not. Therefore, the candidate who have not updated the category details yet will not be able to download their provisional admit card. However, they will be able to download admit card only after they update their category details, provided their candidature have not been rejected for some other reason. Candidate whose application have been rejected will be able to see the reason for such rejection. The instruction given in the provisional admit card are important. Please go through them for avoiding problem in the examination hall. So give the opportunity on that day also. So after closing date of online application, they give opportunity to the caste, class, PH, EWS, similar manner. But on after the examination, they give the opportunity to other category class, but they not give opportunity to the EWS. We are a similarly situated candidate, give opportunity to all or none. I want the equal treatment, my lord, nothing more, nothing less. If they give that, the last date would be the paramount consideration. Then after beyond that day, if any certificate issued beyond 14 July, that will not be valid. I am agreed, I will.
When did you receive your EWS certificate?
My lord, that date is mentioned in page number 130. 128, my lord. Each and every, before this 26, before 26, everyone received, my lord. Everyone. If they will check because the
Before
statutory.
26 and after 12th August 25?
Yes, my lord. Some of them after, some might be the before, some before, some of them, but all of them before 26. That's my case, my lord. I want, my lord, equal treatment, nothing more, nothing less. Consider my EWS certificate, nothing more, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Bandopadhyay.
All these applications have been made after 21st July. And they have obtained it on different dates and after 12th August. Let's assume, Lord, in any case that anyone was having a EWS certificate on before 12th August. He should have filed it. If he didn't avail the chance, he has lost the chance. There is no scope today to enlarge that. Second is that, so far the caste is OBC is concerned, the matters were going on here. And so far the OBC, when the contempt proceeding was taken up, we had to file an affidavit in terms of court's desire that no further will be taken until decided or until any order is come. That order has been stayed by the Supreme Court. Supreme Court has now opened the OBC A, OBC 2. Then OBC A, OBC 2, that all have been, because of that, thereafter, time has been extended. So for the EW is concerned, your lordships have seen that documents that up to 12th August, he was given the chance up to 12th August. Kindly come to page 166. In continuation to our earlier notice issued video memo number so dated 30th July 2025, this is to further notify for information to all concerned, all candidates, irrespective of their category, are required to mention their specific category, caste, class, EWs, PH, etc. in the respective place in their application form through the edit option provided the website from 5th August 25 to 12th August 25. Therefore, EWs were there, chances were there given, and that should have been filed by 12th August 2005. But when the chances not been availed of, no legal right comes to him. For that reason, a mandamus can be issued. This is a well-settled principle. He is not coming within that OBC. He is not also claiming that. Therefore, Miller, subsequent acquisition of a certificate does not give him right or them to give him right to seek for a mandamus from your lordship's court. All right, I'll be very short, Miller. I am just, this is the gist of the matter. Now, Miller, kindly come to give the judgment 2024 1 SSC. 2024 1 SSC, page 448.
8.
কত বললো?
8. ওই last cut.
448.
Yes.
Milord, this is related to EWS. Kindly come to Milord paragraph 49. In Gaurav Singh's case, it categorically held that assets for the particular financial prior to the year of submission go to the root of eligibility of the candidates in the EWS category. It has further held that therein that the candidates whose IN accounts are not in order did not have any legal right to be considered. It has also been held that no candidates can claim any legal right for reconsideration of the candidature by submitting a fresh certificate and a rectified certificate. Then we will kindly come to paragraph 51. Paragraph 50. This is a fundamental distinction between Charles K. Skaria line of cases and the case at hand. As pointed out earlier, the eligibility for being categorized as the EWS candidate crystallizes only when the IN is issued, and in this case, as required under the rules, issued and possessed by the candidates before 22nd February 2022. It is also very well settled that if there are relevant rules which prescribes the date on which the eligibility should be possessed, those rules will prevail in the absence of any rules or any other pursuance. For determining there is a judicial chorus holding that it would be the last date for submission of the application. So this is this again 58 to 60, paragraph 58 to 60 is there. Kindly see paragraph 58.
50?
58. It has also been settled that determination of eligibility cannot be left uncertain till the final stage of selection, since that would lead to uncertainty. Further, it is well settled that if rules prescribe the last date on which the eligibility should be possessed, a relaxation would prejudice applicants who, for want of position of the eligibility, would not have applied. Relaxation would then be selective, leading to discrimination. Then we'll kindly come to paragraph 61. The strong reliance based on Ramkumar Gijiroya case also does not impress us. Not only was there no rule, like we have in the present case, it was only while declaring the result, the requirement of submitting the OBC certificate before the cut-off date was introduced by the selection authority. Moreover, unlike that person, there are no certain issue raised to answer. Therefore, this judgment clearly says that this is not applicable. Now, 1997 4 SSC page 18. I just showed your lordship.
97? Sir, একবার সাইটেশনটা বলবেন?
1997 4 SSC page 18. Paragraph 6, my lord.
Give the citation so it can be put on screen.
1997 4 SSC page 18.
Page 18.
No, my lord, sorry. Page 18, 18.
Yes, 18.
ও ওই অশোক কুমারটা লাস্ট কাট অফ ডেট।
Yes. Sri Ram Prakash.
অশোক কুমার শর্মা।
This is judgment is
অশোক
Kumar Sharma.
Ashok Kumar Sharma.
কাট অফ ডেট।
All right, yes.
My lord, that is kindly come to paragraph 6.
Yes.
The review petitions came up for final hearing on 3rd March 1997. We heard the learned counsel for the review petition for the state of Jammu and Kashmir and for the 33 days. So far as the first issue referred to in our order to answer, we are of the respectful opinion that majority judgment rendered by so-and-so is unsustainable in law. The proposition that where applications are called for prescribing a particular date as the last date of filing the eligibility of the candidate shall have to be judged with reference to that date, and that date alone is a well-settled principle. A person who acquires the prescribed qualification subsequent to such prescribed date cannot be considered at all. This is the judgment. Another 2024 2 SSC that is relating to caste certificate. This is Karan Singh Jadhav versus Government of West Bengal, NCT of Delhi, 2024 2 Supreme Court cases, page 716, paragraph 4 to 6. We have heard the learned counsel on both. Malad got it, Malad?
Yes.
We have heard the learned counsel on both sides and peruse the record, including the judgment of this court in Ramkumar Gijroa in Puspa, which was referred to in Ramkumar, though the applicant had moved an application much prior to the date of the advertisement, the office of the competent authority took considerable time to make the required OBC certificate available. It was in such circumstances the learned single judge of the Delhi High Court held that the applicant cannot be made to suffer for lapses on the part of the office in issuing the OBC certificate. In Gaurav Sharma was a full bench of the Allahabad High Court disagreed with the view expressed in Puspa and held that even claims made under OBC category are to be made before the cut-off date prescribed in the advertisement. This court has held that eligibility criteria condition are to be considered on the last date of receipt of the application. In
Yes.
view of the actual problem of unemployment, whenever few vacancies are notified by any public authority, it is common that thousands of applications apply for such posts. If the applicants are permitted to rectify application after cut-off date, the same would render the scrutiny process indefinite. In the course of such recruitment process, many persons, though they belong to the OBC category or SC/ST category, might not obtain the required caste certificate before the cut-off date. Such persons, being law-abiding and being conscious of the bar contained in the notification of the cut-off date, might not have applied seeking employment. In case the authority starts acceptance caste certificate subsequent to the prescribed so and so, whenever a candidate approaches the authority, the remaining candidates who had not been applied would definitely be affected. If the applications are allowed to submit certificate in proof of their claim of the reservation, subsequently notified cut-off date, it would create administrative chaos. In practice, for every advertisement, there are much belated claims claiming this reservation, though the candidates did not submit certificate from the competent authority before the cut-off date. In view of the general importance of the question, we are of the view that the issue which is failed for request will consider larger bench of this ones. Therefore, the principles is this, certificates applications and the obtaining of the certificates. Here in this case, after 21st July, after the cut-off date was over, they made an application. And even this, some persons have, according to him, I am taking it that some persons were holding certificate before 12th August. They have not filed it. If they have not filed it, they have missed the bus. And those who have subsequently have got it, that cannot get. Second limb of submissions regarding the arbitrary, etc. There I say that a candidate cannot come according to his whims to the court whenever he chooses. Whenever he chooses. Now everything is over. Now verification. Now it is not. Lots of you have seen that judgments. On the one hand, others who have not approached, they will not get the benefit. Only these petitioners who have come before the court, they will get the benefit. That also creates violation of Article 14. Therefore, I will request your lordships, this case has no merit at all. Lordships can dismiss this petition if your lordships so chooses. And so far the interim OBC's interim Mr. Sami ma'am appeared. Why he is not saying all these things?
Yes,
He
yes.
went up to Supreme Court and tell the fact to the court.
Yes,
As a lawyer also, that should be fair. We have to file affidavit because of their petitions. In a contempt. Within 1 day contempt. Court passed an order. We had to file. No, we will not collecting any. We will not allow anybody to take this certificate now. We will call. We will take it when after the decision is over. Any interim order is there or there. We will seek for it. When the Supreme Court has stayed the order of judgment of the Calcutta High Court, then it has been issued. Second is this. Very recently, day before yesterday, the matter was taken up by the Supreme Court. Supreme Court has said that Calcutta High Court should not hear on the OBC applications at all. Now he is there. Why he should tell it before the court? He is appearing in the court. Somewhere he is opposing, somewhere he is proposing. That's a very difficult for us to understand. When he is which side? Now, the point is this, he has no legal right. The court will not consider his case because he has no legal right. Your lordships will not consider. The question of consideration of his case doesn't arise because he has their 12th August have gone long back.
All right, now
These are
tell
my
me,
submissions.
May I
tell me, 1 minute, I just have some query. Page 166,
Yes, madam.
that is 5th August 2025, you opened the window
Hmm.
for all categories.
All categories.
Caste, class, EWS, PH, etc.
Yes.
And the outer date was 12th August 25.
Yes.
The one that has been challenged is page 167, 22nd of September,
Hmm.
wherein cutoff date extended only in respect of the caste, right?
Hmm.
Now, tell me what happened between 5th August and 22nd September. Did any Supreme Court order come?
Yes, yes, yes. That's exactly I'm saying, madam.
What is that order? Please show me.
Lord, it is not with me now. That was entire Calcutta High Court order was stayed.
No.
Calcutta High Court order, Justice Kaushik Chandra's order was stayed.
No. Is it between 5th August 25 and 22nd
Yes, yes,
September?
ma'am. Yes,
Madam,
yes.
place that order. What
Two
was that?
orders.
Please
Mr.
show me that order where it
Well,
you
kindly
have.
keep it on 12th. I will show it. Keep it on 12th. I will show it.
First and second is
And
the
I
Karan
can I-
Yadav, which you relied upon, Karan Singh.
Goes against him.
and these are the three judgments I have relied upon.
Karan Singh that you relied upon just now.
Hmm.
2024 2 SCC.
Hmm.
It bars
Yes.
opening up of the
Online beyond.
date for putting in the caste certificates. How could you do it? Your action is against the judgment that you have relied upon.
No, because of the High Court's order and the Supreme Court's order, when
Oh.
matter was under the scrutiny of the High Court and Supreme Court.
Place the
Every
order.
case has its own facts.
Certainly, show me that the differentiation of facts.
I will show it. Milord. Today, give me a chance to file an affidavit. I will file affidavit.
Affidavit is later on.
No,
Affidavit
all right.
is
Just
show
keep
me
it on.
the
Keep it
Supreme
on day after.
Court's order.
Milord, keep it in day after tomorrow. It is not
Yes.
with me now. Keep it
All
on
right.
day after tomorrow.
None of your juniors have it.
Well,
The
my lord,
document.
I have the soft copy of the order, my lord.
Order date.
Order that 28 that on the my lord notification that is mentioned, that is kindly see that what was the order. There is no such order that you will.
No, don't show me. I don't take soft copies.
So-
What 5th August 25 and
Milord,
22nd
he will show
September.
only the conveniently what is it in his favor. Give
What
me
is the
12.
order of the
My lord, may I
Supreme
read?
Court?
May I read? There is no such mentioning about the give benefit to the OBC candidate whose
I am
certificate
not
is
saying so. Mr.
set aside.
Sami,
They
do
give
not put
benefit
the
after
words down.
examination. They try to give benefit to certain candidate, my lord. That's my whole case. Because
Very
of that,
unfortunate.
his case is that what my learned friend cited. That
Sorry.
means after last date of application, no certificate is a valid one. Give that.
No, be very
Your benefit-
unfortunate that being a lawyer
Yes, my lord,
appearing in a matter.
22nd September,
Hmm.
they give by this notification, they give benefit some class.
I understand, but they
There
submitted
is no such
that
mentioning.
in terms of the court's order.
No,
Show
not
me
at
the
all.
court's
Not at all.
order.
No,
My
court's order,
order,
court
there
has
is
stayed
no
the
such
order.
court order, my lord. May I read the court order on 20? Issue notice returnable on 11th August 2025. Dostin addition is permitted. In addition to the usual mode, liberty is granted to the petitioner to serve notice through the standing counsel for the respondent oblique state. In the meantime, there shall be stay of impugned judgment and order dated 17/6/2025 passed by the High Court at Calcutta. That's the order.
What is the order 17th of June?
Milord, kindly
But
give me
that is
chance.
regarding
Give it-
a KMC matter. There is no connection with SSC matter.
Sorry,
That
Mr.
have no
Milord,
connection.
one
with
after
matter,
another
my lord,
incorrect
SSC
facts
matter.
are being said.
No,
Very
you-
unfortunate.
Show the order.
Very
In
unfortunate. This is a
pursuance
council.
of court
Yes,
order,
sir,
there must be order.
Very unfortunate.
Give it.
He can do anything for achieving an order.
I can place it here and now.
Yes,
WPA
yes.
number.
Here and now, I am not ready. Here and now. Milord, kindly keep it on
That
12.
is the High Court main order, my lord, on 17 June order. There is no such mentioning you give the benefit, which is the satisfiable OBC certificate, you by extending the date after examination. There is no such court order. There is no
Well,
such
see,
court
the
order.
court is not aware of any
Yes,
such
yes.
order.
Place all the order. Place all the order. I will
Place
place
the
it.
order.
I have it in soft copy. Next day I will place it. There is
All
no
right.
such order. This is the complete violation of law.
Please come.
If they this either my learned student submission will sustain, either or this notification will sustain.
You are
Either
God, you are not position.
will
The
go, must
petitioner,
go.
All the time, a council is appearing this side and that side. This
Mr.
totally unfair.
Bandyopadhyay,
Sir, you are senior.
whoever
More senior.
approaches the council,
You
he
also
will
do the
appear.
same
No,
thing.
no, 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 no.
You
Contra
cannot
interest of
restrain
one
advocate.
party.
What?
Contra interest of one party.
It doesn't
You
matter.
will appear for the 10
Contra
thereafter
interest of
SSC.
one party.
Yes, yes.
Don't
You
say.
cannot stop.
For
Don't
the
say.
10 thereafter SSC.
Don't say, Mr. Samim.
Yes, yes, obviously,
Don't
sir.
say. You have
Obviously,
got
sir, I
so
learned
much
it from you.
orders earlier. We know about it, how you have got it.
The
In
petitioner's
Supreme
claims
Court,
to
you
be belonging
remain
to
silent completely. In
EWS
Calcutta
category.
High Court, you are tiger. There you are like a.
Please
You are
mute.
not tiger.
The petitioners are aggrieved by the notice dated 22nd September 2025, published by the West Bengal Central School Service Commission, granting last opportunity to the candidates who have applied for appointment in terms of the appointment in the second SLST
All order.
for classes 9, 10 and 11, 12 from 22nd September 25 to 26th September 2025. Stop. According to the petitioners, the opportunity ought to be extended to candidates from the EWS category also. Stop. Paragraph. Submission is that on 5th August 25, the window was opened for all categories to update their details within 12th August 25. Stop. The petitioners applied for obtaining the EWS certificate prior to the said date, but as the certificates were not issued by the competent authority prior to the said date, the same could not be supplied. Stop. Submission is that all certificates have been issued by the competent authority prior to 26 September 2025. Stop. Submission is that the petitioner should be allowed to update their reservation details. Stop. Learned counsel representing the commission opposes the submission of the petitioners. Stop. It has been submitted that as the candidates failed to submit their reservation details within the time stipulated, within the extended time stipulated by the commission, accordingly, they do not have a right to seek reservation. Stop. It has been submitted that the last date for submission of the caste details had to be extended in terms of the order passed by the Honorable Supreme Court. Stop. Next. Reliance has been placed on judgments passed by the Honorable Supreme Court in support of the submission that certificates issued after the cutoff date cannot be relied upon for seeking benefit of reservation. Stop. Paragraph. The court has not been made aware of any order passed by the Honorable Supreme Court in this regard. Not in this. With regard to the direction issued in respect of OBC category, extending the time limit for submission of the certificates. Stop. Let the order passed by the court be placed before this bench on the adjourned date.
But I have not said
Maybe
the court.
13, my lord. Maybe it is 13.
No, not 13th.
Not 13th, 14th
12th.
I'll keep it. Friday, 14th.
Even by 12,
I have said,
First, the other matter is
Yes,
there.
yes,
Everything
Madam-
will get jumbled up.
my lord, I have said, my lord, the
Yes.
High Court's orders have been stayed. What
Which
is the
order?
effect
I
of-
do not know. So I have mentioned any court's order. Please show. I do not
yes,
know the High Court's order. I do not know the Supreme Court's
Yeah,
order.
naturally, your lordships have
Yes.
not dealt with the matter.
Dealt
It's
with these
quite
matters. So please place whatever is there.
My lord.
Achha, the
That's-
receipt showing deposit of the deficit court fees
and affidavit
filed
of
My lord,
in
I am also kindly,
the
my lord,
records.
my lord, one line can be, I am taking the point of maintainability.
All right. The issue of maintainability of the writ petition raised by the commission is left open. One judgment which was not there, please.
affidavit of service also, my lord.
Yes, service is taken on record.
Grateful. Grateful, my lord. Grateful.
Mr. Bandyopadhyay,
Yes.
I do not know whether he is going to be available on foot.
No, no, it's all right, I will.
All right.
I am available, Mr. Bhattacharya, are you late available in court in every matter?
I was there, sir.
I am available, but you are available at the finishing
Lord, I am
time,
for
not
the
from
petition.
first time. And that's
As
it.
for
Yes, what is the matter?
my lord, petitioners are vocational teachers.
All right.
My lord, they have been appointed under the Department of by the Department of Technical Education and Training, Government of West Bengal, and they have been teaching in a substantive post, my lord. It's approved post. In their appointment letter also it is stated. My lord, we want that 10 marks to be given. My lord, we filled up the application form, filling up the column for teaching experience. But there were certain column existing roll number we could not. We visited the office, my lord. We were told, no, you might not be given any marks. You are being vocational teachers. Hence this writ petition. My lord, page 27, if your lordship kindly comes. I have made school also as a party.
My lord, can I just one submission that will be enough, I think.
Yes, yes, please.
That this is premature because we have not said that we would not be giving benefits of vocational teacher of substantive post.
All right.
This is a premature petition.
It is still at the consideration stage. How do you apprehend that
Yes,
you
yes,
will not
madam.
get the 10 mark
Then-
benefit?
Since in the application form, there was a column, existing roll number. We did not have any roll number, we could not. But we fill up the form with this apprehension that since we have kept a mandatory field blank, we visited the office, my lord, and we were told that in any event, vocational teachers will not be given marks.
So you had to update your certificates also, teaching certificates?
No, no, no.
No.
My lord,
Only
page
mention.
27.
No. This I have followed.
Yes.
In the application form,
In the application form, I applied as a vocational teacher
you applied.
because I have a teacher code also.
You have a teacher code.
Yes, but existing roll number, I don't know. Existing roll number can only be have for 2016 candidates. But we do not have any. We kept that point blank. So it was a mandatory field. We could not. We with the apprehension that since a mandatory field has been kept vacant, our application may be rejected. We visited the office and we were told that in any event, these vocational teachers will not be given marks.
All right.
আমি এটা pleading
What about the mandatory field being kept vacant, Mr. Bandyopadhyay?
No, that the teacher's code he has given now.
That
no.
will be enough.
Teacher's code he has given
That
it.
will be enough.
existing
My
roll
lord,
number.
we have
Then,
not
my lord,
said that.
is enough, my lord. We don't have any.
No, we
Yeah.
have said that. My lord, let me be very clear. My lord,
Yes.
we have not said that the vocational teacher's experience will not be taken
Not be
into
counted.
consideration premature. That will be considered by the below selection committee. That
Please see page 111.
Please come. The petitioner is
But
claimed
he
to
has
be
filled up everything, my lord. Page 111.
vocational
But yes.
teachers
my lord, kindly come to
And
page
claims
111.
serving in the substantial post. Stop. They filed application for recruitment as assistant teachers in terms of the second SLST. Stop. They apprehend that as they could not fill up the teacher's code in the
My lord,
application form.
existing roll number.
Oh,
not
acha,
teacher.
existing.
He has given the existing roll number.
No.
He kindly come to page 111.
111
The kindly see the existing roll number. He has
existing
given the
number.
similar date of birth, so and so registration status, application
11.
date. This is the teacher unique code.
What is this roll number?
Existing roll number in service teachers.
Vocational training, some roll number must be, because I do
Therefore,
not
he is saying that
have any existing, could not have any existing roll number.
Where is your code
you
number?
have given the existing roll
Code I
number.
have given, my lord.
Teacher code?
103, page 103.
Teacher unique code page 111 also it is there.
Yes. That is not the issue, my lord. Teaching code we have, because by the vocational training
So
and
the authority is yet to take a decision as to whether
He
to
is
grant that
premature.
10 marks to you or not.
we have been told specifically we will not be given marks. That is why
Alright, ঠিক আছে, কি বললাম?
become issue.
These are our oral, Miller. This is not no value at all.
As
Otherwise, this candidate will come up before this court, my lord.
Again, he will come. Otherwise, he will not be happy if you don't come.
Candidate's happiness will also have to be.
The
No, no, you are not be
petitioners
happy.
apprehend that as they are teaching in vocational courses, comma, they may not be given the benefit of 10 marks meant for prior teaching experience. Stop paragraph. Learned counsel representing the commission submits that the writ petition is liable to be dismissed as the same is prematured. Stop. It has been submitted that there is nothing on record to suggest that the teachers of vocational courses will not be awarded any marks for prior teaching
My lord,
experience.
we have also given a representation and specific pleading at page 9, paragraph 9.
Acha. Stop. As the issue of awarding 10 marks meant for prior teaching experience is pending consideration before this court. Accordingly, hearing of the writ petition stands adjourned. Stop. Relist on